What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What's good, everybody? What is going on, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. Sorry I'm late. What's good, what's good, what's good, Team Bull? Sorry, your boy is a little late today. What's up, 2J? What's up, Precise? Good morning, DOD Money Team. What's good, what's good, what's good? Sexy Rexy, yes. Yes, Sexy Rexy. We need another good day like we had on Monday. Like we had on Monday. That's what we need. That's what we want. Okay, let's see here. All right. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading. This live is starting at 7:24 late. 7:24 a.m. Hey, sorry, guys. Long night, long morning, but we are here. We are in action. I'll definitely be trading light today. Got a lot of things going on. I am late. I had a lot of life stuff going on. All is good in the hood. All's good. All is good. How's everybody doing this morning? How y'all doing this morning? You guys ready to make some money? Hopefully. We have FOMC today. I can tell the market didn't like what it saw in PPI, which signals that we might not like what we see in FOMC as well. What a downtrend pre-market. 970. We do have a potential reject at yesterday's lows. We can potentially look for. Let's see here. Pre-market low, pre-market high, overnight low, previous day low. I usually don't. Wait, damn. One was, oh, wow, we went real low yesterday. You got VWAP up at 25,050. Yeah, I'm here for you, baby. I promise. Sorry, I said a lot of shit going on. All right, guys, we got 3 minutes to open. Grizzly is still on his way home. Grizzly is still not home from the East Coast. He was dealing with those storms and wind for the flight. So he's supposed to be on Monday. It's Wednesday. Bro still ain't home. Bro's been stuck. He was in Florida, I believe. I believe he was in Florida or Georgia. Florida. Let's see. Tesla. Tezzy. Okay, let's get it. We are 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yep, from open. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused today, everybody. And let's find ourselves a winner. Yeah, right. Especially as an introvert, bro's just dying to get home. All right, it's game time, baby. It's DOD Wednesday. It's FOMC day. On new issue day. It's FOMC day. Free options trade for my birthday. It's your birthday. You shouldn't even be trading. Okay, let's get it. Huge candle off open. Yep. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. I was initially wanting to watch for that retest of that previous day low, that whole low area up to like 75, but not this early in the day. Not this early in the day. Even though it might end up printing. All right, we ended up rejecting that previous day low and that previous day low area. Too early for me to trade, but we'll see if it ends up giving us any sort of trend, if we can get some sort of setup, or if it's going to chop until FOMC. We'll know, hopefully within the hour. We'll hopefully know within the hour. Boring opening, sir. It's been 2 minutes. Good luck. How about my Nuggets last night, too? Killer. Tesla's still stuck at this 400. All I want for FOMC today, my one ask, my one big wish, is that we just get a move out of this range. I don't care if I miss the move. I don't care what it is. I just want to get out of this range. So if we get out of this range, I'm fine with having a red day if it means a green future for all of us. That's fine. We'll take it. Whoops. $70. Whenever the day comes that we get a break above this 25,200, not sure when it's going to be. It could be today. It could be in a month or 2 months and 6 months. This is going to be aggressive. Whenever the day comes, we get this break. Look how much resistance we've had here. Huge area of resistance. So I'll be watching that when it comes. It's not really in play right now. Don't cash out. Cash out. All right, 1 second. Okay. You can't hear me? That's probably because I wasn't talking, sir. It's probably because I wasn't speaking, sir. There we go. All right. Good to go. No, do. Okay, everybody. It's a good day to choose DOD. It's a good day to follow your plan. It's a good day to trade smart and trade safe. I think Grizzly headed back this morning. I'll be back at like 5 or something. And I'll miss my bro. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Don't. DOD for you. That's what's up. Do you mark out 5-minute 6 a.m. candle? No. This is our opening range. If you guys are looking on the screen, the high of this box is the high of the 15-minute range, and the low is the low. I also have previous day low, pre-market low, and pre-market high mapped out. And then VWAP is right here. Yeah, shout out Grizzology. Makes life a lot easier. Not even saying that just because he's my boy, but he just did a great job on this indicator. Takes out a lot of manual work. Yeah, pre-market high is up here in the pink, and then pre-market low is down here in this neon green. Oh, you're kidding. I have point of control in here also. Yep. It's just overlap with previous. I'm going to take previous day well off. I don't really need that anymore. It's not valid anymore. Yeah, I've been using point of control a little more too, now that it's in the indicator. It's time to initiate pay done. Gene's been here for a while this morning, so I've had my coffee for a minute. Don't. I'm not looking, try to find. Jdun, I took a week off. How are we doing so far this week and last week? It's been okay this week. Yesterday I was slightly green. Monday was great. Last week was better. The week before that was we're not going to talk about 2 weeks ago. Every day I trade is good that I follow my plan. You're right. It doesn't matter about my P&L. If I follow my plan and I don't go on tilt, that's a win. I want that mindset for all you guys too. If you don't go on tilt, if you don't blow yourself up, if you don't self-sabotage, that's a net win usually. You guys can obviously use Grizzology to trade with me every day, but for those of you asking, here's the link to it. You can use code Jdun for 50% off your first month. It's like $30 or something. I don't really talk about it much, but for those of you that want to use it on your own, they don't want to have to watch my chart, there it is. It's pretty cool. And it supports our boy Grizzly as well. Good friend of mine with Team Bull for 5 years, and I just like the indicator. I get value from it. It makes my life a lot easier not marking levels, having access to POC, and all these different levels you guys see on screen share. London session levels, fair value gaps. There's a lot you can do with this thing. It's pretty cool. You guys can use code Jdun there, just like you use code Jdun in the prop firms. You can try to find. We're not getting cooked, fam. We're cooking today. Fair value. He said FVG. Yeah. Grizzly's got the fair value gaps in here. Even though they're just fancy impulse candles. I don't care if you get the indicator. It's not mine. You can use it every day trading with me on here. You can watch it right here. It doesn't give you buy and sell. Oh, it does give you confirmation signals. It doesn't give buy and sell signals. I don't use the confirmation signals either. I just use the levels. Let's see the 50% mark. Let's see where the pre-market high to pre-market low 50% is. We're a ways away. That's like 25,030. It's possible. We don't have a lot of other confirmation there besides that 50% retracement, though. That's my problem with that. Well, I guess we have VWAP here, too. That might not be a bad area. I take that back. We get 2 or 3 confirmations there. I'm open to potentially trying it. I don't think I'm muted. Check, check. Should be good. All right, our 15-minute range is in, everybody. Our 15-minute range is in. Let's wait and see what they give us. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys being here. And if you're trading with any prop firm, Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, Vanquish, or FFF, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. I'll always do my best to help you guys win. Right in the middle here. No real trend. Oh, loud and clear. Loud and clear. Let's put our 15-minute chart up here on Nasdaqita. Let's see here. FOMC is at 2 p.m. Eastern today. Jay Powell starts speaking at 2:30. Come on. It can change things on occasion for the morning plan. Not always, but it can. Woo! Tired today. This coffee needs to kick in. I was late this morning. I had a long night. So automatically, if I don't sleep as well as I'd like, or if I have stuff going on, what does that mean for my risk? What does that mean for what you guys should do for your risk when you guys have days like that? What have I taught you? You put on less risk, you downsize. That is correct. The market's not going anywhere, but if you're trading and you're not at your full A+ potential, you don't want to have full risk on. I'm not saying you can't trade. You just want to be mindful of the risk that you put on. I can tell you guys from experience, some of my worst days have came from when I was tired or I had shit going on. My mind was somewhere else. And then you blow yourself up and you have a really big loss, or you mess up your fundeds or something. And you just are like, dude, why did I trade? I'm sure some of y'all can relate to that. It's the worst. So that's a rule that I stick pretty aggressively to. And you feel much worse. Yep. Yep, that can happen. Yeah, no trades yet for me. I mean, but you could argue a reversal off the 15-minute high here, but personally, nothing for me. I'm gonna need something really good, really, really A+. Grizzly's not home yet, I don't believe. We didn't have CPI. We had PPI this morning. $25,000 touch almost to a T. Damn. I'd like to find a solid entry off this 15-minute chart or 15-minute reversal. You can make money off these ranges. It's just not how I like to trade personally. It's not my favorite. Yup, we are going to make it happen today. Let's see if we can get a confirmation candle. How much money you have doesn't directly correlate with how much profit you'll make. You can have 100K and you could turn that into $1 million. You could also turn it into zero. Yep, this market's got about an hour and a half for me. Then I'm going to get out of here a little early so I can be back for J Powell's speech. It's at 2:30. Yeah, FOMC is at 2:30 Eastern time, or the announcement's at 2, but J Powell speaks at 2:30. J Powell speaks at 2:30. Love watching you trade. You always take your time and don't rush. I do my best. Help you guys choose DOD. Are we looking at shorts today? I mean, as of now, it looks like that from pre-market for sure. I don't usually take trades between 12 or 2 and 2:30 when J-Pow speaks. I have. I don't even really take trades when he speaks either. We can, but it's just really high risk. I typically like the hour after. And you know what I really like is what I love on FOMC days or FOMC weeks is I like the 2 days after, the Thursday and Friday. He clearly doesn't trade at all. Yeah, we're 25 minutes in. There's no trade, so I don't trade at all. You're right. I'm too tired to get the mask out, but just imagine the mask is on. If you know, you know. Yeah, pre-FOMC can be a little choppy. The big move happened pre-market. Literally money bags move. Yeah, even if I was 100% ready and focused and didn't have things going on, I still probably I'd lightly trade today. $15-minute is looking a little bearish too. I would have rather seen higher volume on it. Don't. This is your reminder to choose DOD today, baby. Come on. Anyone can trade and make money. It's the very few that can make money and keep that money. And that's where discipline comes in. That's where your ability to stay patient comes in. You are a day trader. You're not a trade every day trader. You're not a take every trade trader. You're not a force every trade trader. You are a day trader. You take trades during the day when setups are present. That is it. That's all that means. Do I ever take a trade? No. Just never. Oof. What is this 5-minute chart so far? This is disgusting. Order filled. It's been a while since we got one of those. Order filled. There we go. That was a better one. That's my side job is I work for Tradeovate. You know what I should start doing is I should disappear for a few minutes sometime and just come back and say, order filled, order filled, order filled. Someone's got to be like, sprinting back to their desk thinking they're getting filled over and over. Someone's going to be spazzing out, get over bed, sprinting to their computer. I gotta practice the stop filled one next. Dude, I used to have background entertainment running. I shut it off because the stream is far too entertaining. Thank you, bro. We do our best. If you want Grizzology, you can use code Jdun on it for half off. It's like 50% off. Supports our boy Grizzly. That's the indicator I use on screen. So if you'd like to support, I just put the link in chat. You can also just watch it on my screen every day. So you don't got to pay for shit. But if you want to trade in your own or you want to support sport, then there you go. Yeah, I just like using Grizzology because it maps everything out. It's not anything crazy, but it maps out point of control, pre-market low, pre-market high, VWAP. It just does it all. Saves me time. I value my time a lot. Keeps my effort low. While we're waiting for this market to stop chopping, I hope you guys all filled out your March Madness bracket. We're giving away a lot of free accounts to the winners. All you got to do is fill it out. The password is DOD if you guys haven't filled it out yet. And we're waiting. If we get a move above or below this 15-minute higher low, I'll potentially look for a trade. But right now, it's just chopping. This is not tradable. This right here is not tradable. I mean, technically, you could scalp, I guess, within like the 1-minute chart. Let me guess, you took Duke to cut down the nets. Mind your own business. Mind your own bracket. We have 163 people in the group. Let's go. I guess the less people, the more likelihood you have to win. Let's see. This 5-minute chart doesn't look horrible, but this wick is pretty aggressive. Bro, what was up with that guy yesterday? This guy was in chat saying over and over that he met up that, that he was talking to a fake me and he met up with him, and the Jdun who wasn't actually me gave him a brutal wedgie. And he kept saying it wasn't funny. What are you talking about, bro? Dude was like mad at me for laughing. I'm like, okay, even if it's true, it's kind of funny though. I'm like, damn, bro's got some stretched undies. I'm like, if you met up with a guy who could pull off being a 6'7" dude that's tatted and met up with you and got close enough to you, how does it even work? How do you not run away? Did you just like submit and be like, all right, grab the back of my undies, give me a wedgie? Still nothing, guys. What am I supposed to do here? Look at this. Maybe if we break out of this range. I'll give wedgies. Next Team Bowl event, we'll have the wedgie counter. Buy one membership, get one wedgie free. You still haven't taken a trade, Jdun. I've taken 170 already. Honestly, there's probably someone out there that has. Nothing on this 15-minute, nothing on this 5-minute. The only possibility I have up here was what we drew out earlier, was this 50% retracement mixed with VWAP for rejection up here. It's possible. It's possible that gives us a trade. This 15-minute chart is showing us nothing right now. We'll go back to it in like 5 minutes. Some radical sniper out there is taking 100 trades. 5 points. Guys, huge trade. Good old Nate, man. Also the days. I got jokes. All right, you know what? I have energy now.
He just keeps shouting. He hasn't given me a single signal today. He just keeps shouting. He never tells us when to take a trade. Jdun, please give me the signal. I need your daily bias. Jdun, please give me a signal. I'm itching and I'm dying to trade. I must trade or I will not be able to redeem my gift card and my meals tonight for my family. Please give me the signal.
Gosh damn. Why do you need a signal every 5 minutes? Chill. What am I supposed to do with this price action? What am I supposed to do here? Look at this 5-minute chart. Just look at it. Look at this chart. There ain't no direction. my goodness, guys. Yeah, this 5 minutes horrible. This 5 minute is awful, guys. Maybe this gives us something, though. We'll see. Watching paint dry might be more fun. I can't lose again. What's the most important thing you've learned from the red week you've had? It's kind of the same story as every red week or even every red day that I've had, is that you just got to keep your composure. You got to keep DOD. You can't allow yourself to go on tilt or to be in the mindset that you have to make it back. I could have had 2, 3, 4 red weeks in a row and still survived. It would have been frustrating. It would have taken a lot more effort on my end, on the back end of charting and back testing and such, and probably taken a big hit on my confidence. But you got to remember that you're going to take a lot of losses. You're going to have red weeks. You might have a red month. But if you can keep yourself composed and not blow yourself up, then you'll be in good shape long term. So here's a possible scenario, guys. See how volume and price looks, but if we can get an aggressive push down, I'd love to see higher volume on the 15 and the 5 minute. I'm not sure we're going to get that though. I'd be open to looking for a retest back up into this like 925 with, that's too much. Maybe 930 to 940 with stops above these highs right here. Okay, Lou. All right. I'm watching this 5 minute and this 15 minute chart. Let's see if we can get a pullback back up. Maybe like 930s. If we went from down here back up to this high day, I'd just be no bueno for how I trade at least. I'm watching this 930 area for shorts. I'm not in love with how price action's been. There's a very, very good chance we just chop in here. We range back up. But based on the 5 minute and the 15 minute, both look like we want to move further down. Oh, come on. $9.26, really? 4 points early? Really? Nasdaqita? Really? It's like that? It's like that, Nasdaqita? Really? That's kind of foul, low key. Literally 4 points early from that 930. That's crazy. That's foul, Nasdaqita. That's not very nice of you. We talked about that. It's not very nice of you. We literally got up to 926. I wasn't willing to try it till like 930s though. Now if we go back up, it's still technically valid. It's just less probable, especially with how price action's been so far. I still favor the shorts. I don't have any look for longs until we build above, basically build above 25,000, and ideally build above VWAP. Well, that's kind of a slippery slope, Jesus saves me. You could say, oh, well, what's 4 points? What's 7 points? Well, then when you continually add early to your positions, when you already have 40 or 50 points of risk, it's just, I like to stick to my plan as much as I can. In hindsight, it's not really a lot, but it adds up over time. You lose an extra 4 points on one trade, it's not a big deal. How about on 100? That's 400 points. You got to think of the long term too. In the short term, it doesn't really matter, but yeah, it's in the short term, it's very minuscule, but in the long term, it can add up. I still like shorts. I don't love them. I don't like them enough to take them right now, but I do like them. Hey, Dino, the Jdun like indicator is about to fire. The Jdun like indicator is going to fire. Take that as you wish. What is this? Nasdaqita, you need to start cooperating. You start cooperating right now. You're not being very nice. Hey, let's go. Use a 3-8. Yesterday was my first time tuned into a stream. First time I felt like I had a guide in this world. I got your back, bro. I'll guide you every day. I'd also recommend you check out our YouTube. We have a growing community every day as well. Jdun Trades. You get full screen share. JDUN trades. Yep. We're alive every day at the same time. I still like shorts too. I just not enough to try it down here. This market's been a little tricky, a little sneaky little snake lately. Gonna wait for it to give us a good confirmation. I would have taken the shorts if we touched up here on 30 to 40. This 15-minute chart looks decent so far. I wanted to test this low. If you guys are looking at screen share, I wanted to test this low of this candle here within this 15-minute chart. That would have been money bags. Testing up into here and then moving down. Ooh. Yeah, it's not great. I still like the shorts, but I don't love them. There she blows. We'll see if she continues. Man, 4 points early. And that would have been my price target right there. Man, that sucks. Literally 4 points from my entry at 30. That sucks. So close. But we might be getting some trend forming here, so let's see. Maybe that's what we were waiting for. We're breaking out of that pre-market and 15-minute range. This might give us a confirmation candle. Let's see. That's what I wanted to see from this market. Let's see if we can get... Uh-oh. We might get a nice 2-bar up here at 860. Yep, I'm open to taking a short if we get back to pre-market low. That's what I wanted to see. If we gotten 4 points higher. We got 45 more seconds on this candle. 9:28. Typically speaking, I'd love to see us come retest this pre-market low and then continue down. That's what I'm watching for. That break and retest a pre-market low. $8.62. I'm watching 860 area, ideally, for shorts. Not sure they're going to give it to us, but I'd like to see us push up to like 860. It's pre-market low area. Pre-market low retest. Looking for continuation down. It's FOMC day, so I wouldn't be extremely surprised if we went and chopped again, but I am going to test that pre-market low retest if we get up there. Come on. Trap some late buyers. Trap some late buyers. Come on. Getting close. All right, guys, I'm trying a small piece of shorts up here. We're on pre-market low. 860. With stops at 97. see, use this. Only spot that I like, so keeping my 97, my risk to a minimum today, half size risk. Come on. 20 points here, everybody. You know what? It's FOMC day. I'm trimming down here. I'm trimming below 40. I'm being safe today. You can hold if you'd like the full position. That's up to you. I'm trimming down here. I'm trimming down here, and I'm putting my stops to 71. Correction. I'm putting them to 60. Why can't I see that? 64. I'm being safer today. So I'd like to see a low a day, but with FOMC day already being risk off today, I'm taking things lighter. I took some off, and I will take more off at low of day, or I'll stop it, basically break even on the rest. I'd like to see a low day, ideally. Come on. What you know, push us down. You got to push us down. Our multiple not great on that so far, unless we go down to low a day, but I'll take it. I'm not looking for anything crazy today. I'm glad we could catch one okay winner up 20, depending on your entry, 20 some points right now. I'd love to see low a day out of this. The chart looks good. This chart looks great. Tesla pre-market low, move down, but with how price action was to start the day minus this move, I'm not expecting a lot. Don't. Come on. Push us below 30 at least. Hey, locked up. That's good, niche core. Let's go. I'd like to see a low day out of this, everybody. We're at 30 points so far. Well, we're happy with the base hit. I'm happy with the base hit so far. I'd like to see more, though. I'd like to see like sub 800 would be ideal. Come on. We're not asking for much. Just like 40 more points. I'm playing very safe today. I don't trust this price action. So we got about 30 points, depending on your entry on the peak of that. I'd like to see lower, but I'm not. I wouldn't hold my breath for it, to say the least. I have my stops at 64. Come on, now flush it down. $200 is great, bro. Congrats. Don't let social media fool you. $200 a day keeps a lot of life's problems away. Come on, flush it down to 800. Come on. Come on, push it down, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Push it down. No, not up. Downwards dog. Come on, it's yoga time. It's heated flow vinyasa time. Downward dog. Don't make me get it out. Don't make me get it out. Don't make me get it out. Come on. Come on. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. Come on. Give it to Papa. Come on. No. Other way. We got 30 points. We want 50. We want lower day. Come on. Push it down. Come on. Do it for the Bears. Do it for the Bears. The bad news Bears. Do it for the Bears. Come on. Come on. I don't think they want to do it for the Bears, guys. I'm not super confident they want to do it for the Bears. We tried, though. We got down to like 30 points. It's going to be a green morning regardless. We still got FOMC later. Come on. Hey, where's that house guy that said I don't take trades? Where'd he go in TikTok chat? Come out here. Come back and play. I want to play. I want to have a chat. Now it's not going to be a big enough trade. Oh, well, it's not 100 points. Whatever. I give up. No, we don't ban the haters. We just mute them. So they have to keep watching. They can either leave or keep watching. We don't ban them, though. Let's go. All right, everybody. Well, we'll take it. Base hit to start the day. Any of you guys make some money on that with me? Even a base hit? Come on, we're up like 25 points right now, too. If you guys made base hit money with me, talk to me. Even if it's $5. We're up 30 points right now. How'd you guys do out in that trade? How much you guys make on that trade? 225, 600, 14, 83, 149, 550, 150, 120, 84, 77. Base hits, 120 times 6, 840, 594, 863. Come on, we're still moving. Let's go. 520. Let's go. We want more. We want low a day. Come on. We want low a day out of this. We want low of day. We're up 30 points right now. There's no reason this should go red for anybody. No reason this should go red for anybody. Appreciate seeing y'all post your gains as well. Come on. Stops at a minimum of break even, everybody. We'll get it 35 points so far. Base hit type of day, but we'll take it. I'm glad I could find this one winner, though it wasn't huge. We'll take what we got. We almost had a really big winner if we would have gotten 4 points higher up here. How did I pick my entry level? One of the easiest strategies you can do, guys, if you have a strong trend either way, you wait for the retest of that pre-market low or vice versa pre-market high. And oftentimes you'll see us retest this area. You keep stops ideally above trend setting candle high. Sometimes you'll have to manipulate that a little bit, but ideally stops above this high, and then you want to ride this down to ideally low of day. We didn't quite get it here, but I think that on a normal day we will. Still have a chance. We go back above 864, 860 area. This would no longer be valid, but ideally you'd want to see this consolidate a little and then push down, but it's FOMC day, so you just don't know. And OPEX week. So I'll take it. I'm happy with what we got for today. I also had that 50% to 60.618% retracement here. Stops are still the same. I'd like to see us go low a day. I'm gonna use the restroom quick. Gene is preoccupied right now, so I'll be right back. Be right back. Don't do anything crazy without me. I swear if it dumps, and I should set a limit order. No, we'll wait. It's not gonna go to my price target of 810 before I come back. No way it will. Okay, oh baby, come on. More. More. Mi amor. More. Naz the kid rápido. maybe I need to get up and leave again. I leave and it starts doing what we want. Oh yeah. Leave, Jdun, leave. Nasdaqita, push down. In a perfect world, this would go down more. Look at this price action area. Look at this 5-minute chart. And the 15. Look at the 15 too. Come on. We want 810. What you say? Damn. No love, Nasdaqita. No love, Nasdaqita. Unk. I catch you a decent winning trade, and that's what I'm greeted with. Is being called old. Wow. I see how it is. Why'd I come back from the bathroom? I know. It's whenever I leave. It's whenever I leave. What you say? Base hits are what's going to pay you. Leave again, please. All right, I'll just leave. See you guys. Just going to leave. No order set. All right, what'd I miss? It's not looking promising. It's not looking like it wants to cooperate. It needs a real leave. Damn, I come back and it starts pushing up. That's crazy. That's crazy. Damn. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. NQ shares. Contracts. Come on. Push it down. I'm happy, though. We'll take it for the morning. Hey, if y'all made some money on that, post your gains, too, everybody. Come on. Don't let Brandon and GD beat us in the post your gains. Tag me with DOD in the gains section. Come on, baby. I want to see all the base hits in there. Do I have to bribe you guys to go post your gains? All right, in the next 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll pick 2 of you guys to get a free Apex account. I got 2 codes ready to rock and roll. Right now. Right now, this second. Tag me with DOD. Tag me in the post your gains. Three, 4, 5. Yep, tag me in the post your gains. Your trade is not working. We are We're losing. We're loosening, guys. We're losing. Shout out Apex for giving us these. Shout out Apex for giving us these free accounts to give away. The more you guys use code Jdun and support, the more accounts they give us. It's a win-win for everybody. Appreciate y'all supporting your boy. I'll do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. I love their new end-of-day drawdown accounts. You guys can use code Jdun. It's only $29 for a 50K trade of a end-of-day account. I'm typing, guys. You know what that means? Means I just posted a code in TikTok and in YouTube right there. It'll be valid for one Apex account. One person that gets it. First one to use it gets it. Means that y'all better be paying attention in Team Bull Chat. That's what it means. Trade's over, guys. Trade's over. Someone got it fast. Road codes don't work no more. We're going to go ahead and pick. Someone got it. We're going to pick two winners. Winner 1, Gremlins. Love that. Little base hit in the funded DOD works, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and hit Gremlins with an account. Shout out Gremlins. Shout out Gremlins Master Mentor Student too. Boom. Shout out Gremlins. Little gremlin. Little gremlin. Little sneaky snake. Gremlin. Well, wait a second. We'll pick the next one random. Shout out to everyone that got themselves an Apex account. A few of y'all. Ended up getting about 40 points on that trade. Now it looks like we want to move back up a pre-market low. Now it looks like we want to move back up to that, likely that point of control area, 50% retracement. Woo! Oh, I have leg day today too. Thank you, kind sir. DOD, let's go. Could be 2-bar upside, but I'm done for the morning. As always, you can get Apex accounts damn near free with code Jdun, only $29 for 50K trade of 8 end of day account. I love their new end of day plans. You guys asked for it forever, and they finally came. End of day drawdown. Instead of intraday, they have end of day drawdown accounts now too. Ugh. We retested that 15-minute low almost to a T. We'll see if that ends up being the reject spot. I'd love to see us have a continued downtrend today. Do I hoop at all? I used to hoop heavy. Don't get it twisted. I'll still dunk on you if need be. I still got gas in the tank. Yeah, base hit wins. That's what adds up. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, too, if you guys have questions, you can DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. That's the only place I answer questions or DMs. Personal questions. I answer questions in the live, but if you have anything you want to direct message me about, it's on Instagram at JDunTrades, my verified IG. I also appreciate y'all hitting that like button. Guys, if you got some value from today's live, if you guys made money with me, got value, enjoyed the stream, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. We got 250 likes and 1,000 people in here. Come on. Smash that thumbs up button, baby. Come on. Let's get to 400. I know y'all got it in you. I know y'all got it in you, baby. Usually market orders, yeah. Yeah, look at that 2-bar. Going crazy. A 2-bar / pre-market high retest. Not really 2-bar, but 50% retracement of that candle. Reversal went crazy. 866 up to like 900. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off for the morning. Second winner of the giveaway is, let's go pick somebody. Let's go pick somebody. Boom. G-Puck. Base hits add up. DOD for life. Congratulations. I love that mindset. I love that message. Boom. There we go. ZC. Almost said it out loud. There we go, G-Puck. Congratulations, my boy. I'm out here, guys. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys later on for J Powell, okay? And actually, we have Jared Tendler today as well from 3 to 4 during power hour. So I'll be on stages, likely for voice. Hope you guys got some value from today. 40-point win. Wish we would have seen super mega trade, but we'll take what we got. Made 277 this morning. Nice. That's awesome. Glad you guys were able to make some money. Trade smart, trade safe. God bless. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Adios, everybody. God bless.